Replacing the printhead on the new A-Class print engine is easy. First, you need to turn off the printer and raise the access cover. With the printhead assembly in the down position, loosen the captive screw. There's no need to remove the screw entirely. Just loosen it. Unlatch and raise the printhead lever. Carefully disconnect both printhead cables by unclicking the white connector on the right side, then gently pulling on the black connector to remove the printhead. Now we are ready to install the new printhead. Carefully connect both printhead cables by attaching the white connector first, then the black connector. Notice the locating holes on the printhead. You'll need to match these holes with the locating pins on the underside of the printhead assembly. Slowly move the printhead back and forth to locate the pins. You'll hear it when it clicks into place. Once they are lined up, lower the printhead lever and secure the printhead with the captive screw. You have now replaced an A-Class Mark II printhead. Turn off the printer and raise the access cover. Unlatch and raise the printhead lever. Using an Allen key, remove the single screw, printhead latch post, and bearing retainer from the printer. Grasping the roller, firmly slide the outer bearing and Platen roller from the printer. Now just slide the new Platen roller. Be sure that the flat side on the Platen roller shaft is aligned with the pulley inside the printer and seated in place. Place the outer bearing onto the outside of the shaft. Place the bearing retainer printhead, latch post, and screw back in place. Tighten the locking screw until snug. Lower the printhead and latch. You have now replaced a Platen roller.